Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my journal. So, for the last 2 weeks, I've been experiencing some problem with Google Chrome flickering around 2 to 5 minutes. It's really annoying. But after hours of scrolling around the Reddit, I finally found the solution. And no, I will not tell you to turn off the hardware acceleration, as it can cause a huge problem. So let's just get into it.